Ravine formation is a major land degradation problem caused by soil erosion along some of the major river systems in the country like Yamuna, Chambal and Mahi. India is having 3.7 million hectares of ravine lands which constitute 1.12% of the total geographical area of the country. Majority of the ravine area is spread over in the states of Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Rajasthan and Gujarat. A recent ravine area delineation effort by the Indian Institute of Soil and Water Conservation indicated that about 1.04 million hectare ravine area is in Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. Ravine lands not only create problems where they exist but are also the root cause for degradation of adjacent arable lands affecting production potential. Cultivation of bamboo can be very effective strategy for the rehabilitation of ravine areas. There are many key characteristic features of the bamboo that make it suitable for the rehabilitation of degraded lands. Bamboo is the fastest growing plant on the earth, due to which it can sequester huge amount of carbon and can help in mitigating the climate change impact. The dense foliage of the bamboo, it can help in reducing the kinetic energy of the raindrop and can help in preventing the soil erosion. The high leaf mulch production in the bamboo can help in improving the soil health and can also be very effective in controlling the evaporation rate and ultimately enhancing the soil moisture regime. The well-connected rhizome system and extensive fibrous root system can help in binding the soil particle and can help in checking the soil erosion. Now, bamboos are harvested without disturbing the root system, which makes it very effective for controlling the soil erosion. Further, the annual column production make it a sustainable proposition and can help in meeting many of the sustainable development goals. Bamboo also contribute to the bond challenge, to which INBAR and the member states have agreed to contribute about 5 million hectare area under bamboo cultivation. Now, this is bamboo based silviculture system, and this technology has been developed for the rehabilitation of ravine areas which are affected by the water erosion. This technology mainly involves growing of Sankaraciliaris grass on the side slopes which are prone to soil erosion, and in the gully beds usually Dendrocalamus strictus species, it is grown in a staggered manner. And during the initial stages when the bamboo plants they are young, at that time these interspaces they can be utilized for growing Sankaraciliaris grass. And about 7 ton per hectare per year of green grass yield is obtained from the stabilized gully slopes, and during the initial year about 10 ton per hectare per year grass yield can be taken from the gully bed portion. And this system can yield 1000 bamboo poles after 7 years, and it has the capacity to absorb more than 80% of the rainfall. And the results further have revealed that the soil loss in this system is reduced to less than 1 ton per hectare per year from about 20 ton per hectare per year. And if you see the benefit cost ratio of the system, it is about 2.09, thereby indicating its profitability. And this technology has been successfully demonstrated in the degraded ravine lands in the western part of the country. Now, these are bamboo based live vegetative check dams, and they have been found very useful, particularly for the stabilization of the small gullies. They are very low cost in nature, and they have been successfully evaluated in the ravine region of western part of the country. And usually while making the check dam, 2 rows of bamboos are grown at a close spacing of 2 into 2 meters in a staggered manner, and the distance between the 2 check dam, it is usually kept at 10 to 15 meters. And these check dams have been found very effective in absorbing more than 80% of the rainfall, and the runoff reduction and soil loss reduction has been achieved to a greater extent. Further, the benefit cost ratio of these check dams have been worked out to be 2, thereby making it profitable. And particularly in the area where low moisture is there, Dendrocalamus strictus and Bamboo subbambos species, they are recommended. And the area where the bamboo plantation is difficult to establish, then offsets are considered as better choice for establishment of these live check dams. In high rainfall area, easy to root species like Bambusa vulgaris and Dendrocalamus hamiltoni can also be used as poles for making the check dams. Bamboo has huge scope in meeting our national targets. As we know that we are the signatory to Bonn challenge, where we have to restore about 29 million hectare area. And in this context, bamboo can play a major important role. We are also signatory to Paris Agreement, which intends to create an additional carbon sink of 2.5 to 3 billion tons of carbon dioxide through additional forest by 2030. Similarly, under National Green Highway Mission, we have to bring about 1 lakh kilometer highways under green canopy. Then there are huge targets in Namami Gange, Kaveri, Narmada Protection Program, Green India Mission, and in all this, bamboo can play a major important role in making the earth green.